Hello, in this video I am going to show you the contents of this Deformation Explosion Glare Wheel Gesture Induction Stunt Car toy. I just received it. I took it out of the box before my wife told me that this was a toy, so I opened it up. And once I saw that it was this toy, then I started to record this video. But right now it's not unopened, so you are going to see all of the contents that you will receive if you purchase this toy, exactly as it is inside the box. So I'm gonna cut the tape. Oh, I didn't need to cut that side, but it's upside down, I think. Okay, so that's the box instructions. I don't know if you can see that. This is a manual, Twisted Stunt Car user manual. There's wrist control. That's the manual. Then here's two AA sized rechargeable batteries, I believe. Here's well, maybe this is not rechargeable, I don't know, it says, but I know this looks like a rechargeable battery. So you get AA batteries and a rechargeable battery. Here's the watch. Oh, this is a charger. Maybe it's for a watch or the watch charger. Yep. This goes around the finger. Put it as a watch, I think. I don't know exactly the way you wear it yet. There's another rechargeable battery, so you get two. Here's a screwdriver, so when you need to open it up, I guess, I don't know what exactly yet. And here's another charger, USB charger. I think it might be for the car or for the battery. Yeah, it charges the battery, you plug it in and charge the batteries. I like that there are two batteries, so you can have, that's what I have with my GoPro camera right now. I have two batteries, so just in case the batteries run out, it's always nice to have an immediate replacement. And then this is the car, the rechargeable batteries. Oh, here the screwdriver unscrews the screw that keeps the rechargeable battery case lid on. So that's what you use this for, to put the rechargeable batteries in here. So this is not a technical video, it's just an unboxing video, so I'm not gonna open up the battery compartment and show you. And here are the mechanism wheels. These wheels allow you to move sideways, diagonally, whereas just wheels give you differential drive. And there's no real, I think the some steering involved with this toy. I just looked at the video very quickly just before this video, but this looks like a lot of fun to use. So this is the Supercar 4-wheel drive GT model car. And here's a remote. So in case you are not using the wrist remote, here's the conventional remote. On off, and this is where you need the screwdriver again to take off this compartment. I believe this is where you would put your AA batteries in. So that's the content of this Deformation, explosion, glare wheel, gesture, induction, stunt car. Thank you for watching.